Arestado ang dalawang individual matapos mahuli sa ikinasang buy-bus operation sa Barangay Banlic, City of Cabuyao, Laguna, pasado alas 5 ng hapon noong August 7, 2024.
Upon receiving the information from our counterpart unit, we first conducted a validation on the said information handed to us. And upon knowing that the information was true, we conducted case build-up. When everything was verified, we composed a team that will operate on this subject. Every participating team was given their tasks and roles during the said operation. Before jumping off to the area of transaction, we first secured the coordination from PIDEA and the territorial units. Likewise, coordination to all necessary witnesses was secured prior to the said operation. During the actual operation, all the participating team was able to perform their tasks and roles.
Ang operasyong ito ay pinangunahan ng mga tauhan ng Special Operations Unit 4A ng PNP-DEG sa pamumuno ni Police Lieutenant Colonel Jonicio D. Bonoy, SOU Commander, kasama ang Special Operations Unit NCR sa pakikipag-ugnayan sa Cabuyao Municipal Police Station, Regional Intelligence Unit 4A, IMEG Luzon Field Unit 4A at Regional Drug Enforcement Unit 4A. Nakumpiska sa nasabing operasyon ang isang silyadong plastic pack na naglalaman ng hinihinalang shabu, buy-bus money, cellphone at iba pa. Kinilala ni Police Brigadier General Eliazar P. Mata, Director ng PNP-DEG, ang mga narestong suspect na sina alias Edgar, 45 anyos at si alias Ricky, 49 anyos. Ang mga narestong suspect ay nabasahan ng kanilang mga karapatan sa wikang kanilang naiintindihan at ito ay dinala at pansamantalang nakapiit sa detention facility ng PNP-DEG SOU 4A habang hinahanda ang kasong maaaring ipataw laban sa kanila.
About the arrested suspect, it has already undergone inquest proceeding and it was already turned over to Cabuyao Police Station for safekeeping while waiting for the commitment order to be issued by the court.
Saksi ang operasyong ito sa nasabing lugar sa determinasyon ng otoridad na puksain ang iligal na kalakaran ng droga at sa pangunguna ng ating mga kapulisan. Patuloy ang mga ginagawang hakbang para sa kaligtasan ng mamamayan. Sa mga nais magsumbong, maaari kayong mag-text sa numerong nasa inyong screen. Dahil dito sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng PNP-DEG, iligal na droga bigyan ng wakas. Mula sa tanggapan ng PNP Drug Enforcement Group, ako ang iyong PNN correspondent, Patrolwoman Mirasol Ariola, alagad ng batas, taga-taguyod ng Balitang Pulis.